Okay. All right, now go to vacuum. Or pressure, I mean. So as you turn that down, now when you're looking from the side, put your head closer to the glass, slowly, slowly, until you see the seal expand. And then stop. Okay. Move your hands away. Okay, you're looking at it. You're going to wait 2 minutes. This is an important part for the technician to understand that patience is part of the repair, that most repairs will fail by themselves, given enough time and patience, blah, blah, blah. But if you need a probe, okay, you're going to grab your probe. Sometimes a technician can accelerate. Don't worry about that. Just keep going. Sometimes a technician, put the probe back in there. Okay, and let's just do it again so it doesn't fall out. Okay, so then go ahead and grab it now. Okay, the technician can manipulate the brake and make things go faster by flexing. Understanding you have to use firm pressure and blah, blah, blah. Flex all the way around the brake, up and down the legs to speed up the pressure. Okay, and go ahead and put your probe back in. Go back to a vacuum. Okay, the technician goes to vacuum. Once again, patience. We'll wait another couple minutes. Okay, he's watching. Take a look in the mirror. Take a look at the brake. See if you see vacuum in there. Okay, you can still flex. You can also flex under vacuum to help eliminate air. So you'll use your probe again. Okay, and do the same thing. Blah, blah, blah. Lots of flexing. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Okay. You go down to a, when you're done there, a final pressure cycle. Okay. You're going to go down to a final pressure cycle. And after you get down to pressure, you're going to inspect your brake real good for about 30 seconds. Make sure there's no black spots. Make sure it looks completely filled. Technician is sure it's filled. At this point in time, we're ready to cure. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is plug in your curing light to your power pod. Okay. Technician will plug in his power pod, turn on his light. Okay. Never hold the light too close to your face, but look and see that it's on. Okay. Make sure your light's on. Okay. Mount your light on carefully. God, it's beautiful, isn't it? That light? Isn't that light pretty? And the way it shines on the injector, each little slot. So now the technician is going to remove the mirror. Okay. So that you don't forget your mirror. You always remove your mirror during curing. Any good technician will tell you that you can't cure from the backside, so a mirror doesn't help reflect UV, blah, 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 blah. We're also looking at we're always under pressure when we're curing. At this point in time, the technician can be cleaning up his kit, putting his mirror away, make sure his probe puts away. So go ahead and look at your kit, make sure your probe's put away. Next thing you're going to do is pull out your pit filler. Just make sure you have everything you need there. You can prepare it, just set it in the case somewhere. Go ahead and just set it down inside the case, boss, the pit filler, because you're going to need to take your light off. But that way you looked at it, the curing is done, you're going to remove your light. You can place your light to the left or to the right over on this side of it. Instead of putting it away, put it on the glass. Just move it sideways. Boss, take it off and set it over next to the light injector. There you go. Okay? Okay, now we're going to grab your probe. Okay? So that you can remove the suction cups. Okay, at an angle. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Set your injector down in the case nicely. Okay. You can do that if you want. Okay, this time he's putting everything away. Puts the injector back. Okay, now we're going to grab some pit filler. Okay. And go ahead and pretend to put a drop on there. I'm not worried about seeing it because we're going to do a close-up. Okay, so there, 1 drop, pull it away. Pretend you have a film tab in your hand, even though you don't. Okay, and place your film tab on the thing, roll it from the top to the bottom. Okay, and then set your curing light over the top of the brake. Blah, blah, blah. Perfect. Okay, while this is curing, you're going to get yourself a razor blade ready. Okay. And go ahead and prepare your razor blade. We're going to wait 2 minutes, blah, blah, blah. 2 minutes has gone by. Go ahead and remove your light. Put your light in the case. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're going to just remove the film tab. Pretend to remove the film tab. Just pretend to do it, boss. Pretend that it's on there because you can't put it back on. So just remove it. Okay, good. And now just go scrape back and forth for like 20 seconds till it's all smooth. Okay, now get your pit polish. You still have a paper towel somewhere around there? And your pit polish. Do you have or use your, I'm sorry, your cork? You got your cork in your hand? Okay. Do me a favor, start over. Just start over by grabbing your pit polish. Just take a second, step back. Right there. Just look down, grab your cork and pit polish now. Okay. Take the lid off first. Put one small drop on the end of the cork. Nope, on the cork. Let's start over again. One more time. We're gonna start over. So put the cork away. It's okay. It's good. It looks really good. Huh? So now let's just stand there and look at the glass again. Okay, now go ahead and grab your pit filler or pit polish and your cork. Face your cork up. Put a drop kind of facing the cork towards me so I can see. There you go. Put one drop on there. Okay. Put your pit polish away and polish that cork. Just polish that pit like crazy for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? I can't understand what you're saying. The bulb is on? That's okay. Can't tell from here. But, okay. And a paper towel, do you have one? Okay. Wipe it clean. And then wipe the inside where the suction cup on the mirror was. Okay. Inspect to make sure all your equipment's where it belongs. Take off the power pod. The power pod off the windshield. Off the windshield. Okay. Okay, set it in the case. Get your paper towel again. Yeah, unplug. Put it in the case. You can put it in and wipe the power pod off. And wipe the whole part of the windshield. Okay, the whole thing and make it okay. And then look over the windshield, make sure everything looks good. Check your repair one last time. Okay. And then you're done. Perfect.